Hey guys, it's VinnyLambo here, and this is the 11-inch iPad Pro. And today, we're going to be making it ultimate. Under the hood, this iPad is powered by Apple's A12X chip, as well as 4GB or 6GB of RAM, depending on how much storage you get. It also has ProMotion.
Now this iPad Pro may be good on its own, but accessories make it so much better. Let's start off with Apple's Smart Folio keyboard case,
as well as the Apple Pencil 2. That's all for the iPad, but now we have this. This is a 4K 60 Dell 27-inch monitor, and we're going to be using this to hook it up to the iPad. Using this Satechi dock, we now have a separate monitor as well as gigabit Ethernet.
The Satechi dock includes the USB 3 ports, gigabit Ethernet, and HDMI, and the USB-C power pass-through, all within a nice enclosed aluminum casing. For being one of the more reasonably priced docks on Amazon, this USB-C dock actually does work really well. I'm really surprised.
Sure, the iPad does have a touchscreen and a keyboard already, but who says one keyboard's enough? This is Logitech's K380 Bluetooth keyboard. And also, I'm going to be using Logitech's brand new MX Master 3 mouse.
This MX Master 2 successor packs Bluetooth 5 as well as support across many platforms. Utilizing the assistive touch capability of iOS makes for one interesting cursor, as only the left click works out of the box. Also, the Logitech Bluetooth keyboard works really well, and even though that there is a Smart Folio keyboard attached to the iPad, it is pretty helpful to have a Bluetooth keyboard when you're away from the iPad.
Even though Apple's 4-speaker stereo system on the iPad Pro is great, you can use some extra bass with Beats Solo 3 Bluetooth headphones. And if you do want some noise isolation on the go, you can use Apple AirPods Pro.
But if you're looking for some speaker level sound, you definitely want Apple's HomePod.
Dude, this is awesome! So this is the ultimate iPad Pro. But if you're talking about multiple iPad Pros, then we got you covered. This is Apple's 12.9-inch Apple iPad Pro, and it's pretty sick.
So for the full, best, most ultimate iPad Pro setup ever, we have
Logitech's MX Master 3 mouse, Logitech's K380 keyboard, AirPods Pro, a Satechi USB-C dock with gigabit Ethernet and HDMI going to Dell's 27-inch 4K 60 monitor, all paired with another 12.9-inch iPad Pro and Apple's HomePod.
Now you might be saying to yourself, whoa, this is a little bit overkill, and maybe you're right, but also at the same time, maybe you're not. Like, this is just a regular desk setup, right? Just it's with an iPad and not a PC. I don't know. I like all the Bluetooth capability, and it really shows what the future is to bring with all these Bluetooth capable devices. Will wires even be a thing next year? Who knows? But for now, this is the ultimate iPad Pro. Well, iPad Pros if you want to be specific. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this to your friends to show them the ultimate iPad Pro setup. Make sure to stay tuned to the end of the video so you can watch the rest of the VL Tech videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.